Happy morning, children. Did you enjoy the two lessons what we learned before? Today, we will learn the next lesson. Lesson 2 are clean surroundings. And do you know what do you mean by clean? Keeping away from dirt. So, in your class, do you keep the class dirty or clean? We keep the class clean, isn't it? How do we keep our class clean? By not putting the pencil shavings on the floor, by not dropping waste on the floor or putting bits of paper on the floor, isn't it? We keep our class clean. And at home, Mummy cleans the house, isn't it? What does she do? She sweeps, she mops, isn't it? Why? To keep our home clean. So this lesson is what we are going to learn, how to keep our surroundings clean. How to keep our surroundings clean. We keep our surroundings clean or dirty? Clean. Clean means what? Keeping away from dirt. So, this lesson is a story. I know you all love to hear stories, isn't it? I also love to hear stories. So, in this story, there are 5 characters. Characters means what? 5 people. Shall we see who all are there? Yes. First is 2 children like you. The name of the children are Nishi and Ashi. Nishi and Ashi are classmates. They study in the same class. Next, they have a teacher. Like how you have a teacher in class, she also has a teacher. Or they also have a teacher. What is the teacher's name? Miss Ripu. Ripu. Her teacher's name is Ripu. Then, in this lesson, there is a vegetable seller. Mummy goes and buys vegetables from shop, isn't it? The person who sells vegetable is called a vegetable seller. So, in this lesson also, there is a vegetable seller whose name is Ramu. What is the name? Ramu. Ramu is a vegetable seller. Now, the next character is Ramu's wife. And her name is Kusum, the vegetable seller's wife. Kusum is the vegetable seller Ramu's wife. Is it clear? There are 5 people in this story and they are Nishi and Ashi, Ripu, Ramu and Kusum. Now, let's look into the story. You're waiting for it, isn't it? So, we will go to the story. Now, in this story, before they start, they are telling something. Let us read that. Read the story and answer the questions that follow. So, if you have to answer the questions, what do you have to do? You have to listen carefully and look in your book when I am reading. Is it clear? So, shall we start? Yes. Our clean surroundings. Nishi and Ashi are classmates. Today in school, their teacher, Miss Ripu, taught them how harmful plastic bags are to nature and we should all make an effort to clean our surroundings. They are walking home after school. They see a cow eating a plastic bag. Ashi says, "It is not good to eat plastic, right?" Nishi says, "No, it is not. Miss Ripu told us today that plastic bags can harm nature and animals. If the animals eat them, they can die. They see Ramu, the vegetable seller, putting ripe tomatoes into a plastic bag. Ashi tells him, people throw away plastic bags and cows and other animals eat them. That is not good. Plastic bags also make the surroundings dirty. We should not use them. Ramu asks, what should I do? People ask me to give them vegetables in a plastic bag. Nishi says, please ask people to bring cloth bags. Now Ramu's wife, Kusum, makes cloth bags. She sells them. Many people use her cloth bags. The street is now clean. So, what do you mean by clean? I already told you, keeping away from dirt. Now, what do you mean by surroundings? The place around us. What do you mean by surroundings? Everything that is around us. So, this lesson is about keeping the place around us clean. So, in this lesson, Nishi and Ashi, there are two children and they are classmates. They are from the same class. Now, as children, where do you go? You go to school and you have a teacher. Like that, Ashi and Nishi also has a teacher. Her name is Miss Ripu. Now, what does your teacher do? She teaches in the class, isn't it? Like that, this Miss Ripu also taught them. What did she teach them? She taught them you have to keep your place or surroundings clean. What? You have to keep your surroundings clean. And she tells them you're not supposed to use plastics. Why? Because these plastics make our nature dirty and animals also eat this plastic and they can die. So, they heard what Miss Ripu taught in the class. And that day, they were going back home. How they went? By walking. At that time, they saw a cow. They saw a cow eating plastic bag. What did they see? They saw the cow eating a plastic bag. So immediately Nishi and Ashi started a conversation between both of them. They both started to talk to each other. Conversation means what? Talking to each other. Now let's see what did they ask. Nishi says, no, it is not. What is not? It is not good to eat plastic. Miss Ripu told us today that plastic bags can harm nature and animals. If the animals eat them, they can die. So, the teacher told them they should not use plastic, and if they use, it will make the nature dirty and the animals can die. So, she also told them, you should take an effort to clean our surroundings. Effort means what? You should try. Effort means what? Try. You should try to keep the place around you clean. So, effort means try. Then, after they were speaking about this and they were walking back home again, that time they saw a vegetable seller, Ramu, giving ripe red tomatoes in a plastic bag. Again, they felt unhappy. They felt sad. Oh, again, this man is giving plastic bags. And if animals eat, they can die. And it can make our nature also dirty. So, what did they do? They walked towards the vegetable seller Ramu. And they say, who says? Ashi. Ashi tells him, people throw away plastic bags and cows and other animals eat them. That is not good. Plastic bags also make the surroundings dirty. We should not use them. So immediately Ramu tells to Ashi that people who are coming to my shop are asking me to give the vegetables in the plastic bag. So what are the people asking? The people are asking to give the vegetables in the plastic bag. So what can I do? I should give them in that. But then, you know what these children says? Nishi says, ask the people to bring the cloth bags to take the vegetables home. You don't have to give a plastic bag. Let them bring their bag from home and let the bag be made out of cloth. So immediately this Ramu had an idea. His wife Kusum started to stitch cloth bags. She started to stitch cloth bags. Now, because of that, they have an income in the shop. Now, Ramu started to sell the bags in his shop. What did Ramu do? Ramu started to sell the cloth bags which Kusum makes at home, isn't it? So now many people use the cloth bags, and because of that there is no plastic to be seen around. And what happened? The street is clean. The street is now clean. So should we use plastic bags? No. We should use recyclable things. We should use things we can use again. So it does not make the nature dirty. So when you come to school, your teachers tell you many things. Now see these children, what was taught in the class, they are putting into practice. They are doing. They are not only hearing, but they are acting. They are doing things what they heard. See, because of these two children, the use of plastic bags were reduced and their village became clean. So if you take a decision after hearing this lesson, we can also make small decisions. Tell your mummy and papa, we will take cloth bags to shops when we are going. So we can pick them in that bag and come back. We will not use plastics anymore. Why? Because we love our nature and we love animals and we want to keep our surroundings clean. So what is your effort? Trying to make our nature clean and animals happy. So will you do it? Yes, we will all try to do that. Take an effort to keep our place or surroundings or school or your home clean.